Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we will show you how to get bookmarks back on Chrome. If you accidentally deleted a bookmark or lost it, this video will guide you through simple ways to restore it. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. This is the browser where your bookmarks are stored and it needs to be running to access them. Step 2. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Click on Bookmarks and Lists. Then left side sub-menu. Click on Bookmark Manager. This will open the Bookmarks menu where you can see all your saved sites and manage them. Step 4. Press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to undo the deleted bookmark. This shortcut quickly restores the last deleted bookmark immediately. Method 2. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Make sure you are on your main Chrome window to access all features. Step 2. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Click on Bookmarks. Step 4. When you see the bookmark deleted message at the bottom, this notification confirms a bookmark was recently removed. Step 5. Click on the undo button next to the message. This will immediately restore the deleted bookmark back to your list. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.